Hi guys, so I'm super excited to announce you that Plum has turned 8 and it is their 8th birthday sale. Plum Goodness provides vegan cruelty-free products and is transparent and real to its customers, and it is cruelty-free, paraben-free and vegan. So Plum Goodness has turned 8 and it is their 8th birthday sale, which is from 1st July to 4th July, and you can get 50% discount on all the products. You can also use my code amazing discounts and offers. Now I will tell you all my favorite products from Plum Goodness that I simply love and couldn't wait to share my review of all these amazing products from Plum Goodness. I will also mention all the various discounts and offers that you can avail in the sale, so do check it out. So go buy for yourself all the amazing products from Plum Goodness sale. Don't miss out this sale, it is super amazing. So here is the cute pouch that you can get when you order products. You can get this pouch too in many of the save discounts and sales, from which you can avail this green cute pouch too. Niacinamide rice water serum with clarity boost, Plum Goodness. The second one is one of my favorite product, that is the Body Love and Body Mist Vanilla Wipes. I Swear by Matte Eyeliner with Argan Oil. This is the Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo. This is the Warm Vanilla Body Love and Body Mist, and it stays for 2 to 3 hours, and it is a travel friendly bottle. So it looks like this, and now I'm gonna spray it onto my face. The fragrance is amazing. Plum Body. So this is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Healthy Shampoo that helps in nourishing and cleansing the scalp. This shampoo is gentle, sulfate free and hydrating. It helps in cleansing and nourishing the scalp. The texture of the product, the shampoo, very mild, very gentle, and it helps in nourishing and cleansing the scalp. This is the rice water and niacinamide 10% serum with clarity boost. This helps in, you have to take a few drops and pat the serum onto your face, and it helps in cleansing and moisturizing the skin and helps in removing acne and pigmentation from the skin. So I'll take a little bit, apply it onto my face, gently pat it onto my face. It helps in removing the pigmentation, acne and blemishes from your face and making it super hydrating and nourishing. See the texture, very hydrating, very soft, very gentle onto my skin. The Plum I Swear by Matte Liner with Argan Oil gives the deep flat matte finish look in just one stroke. So let me show you from inside how it looks. Super cute bottle. Wow, super easy and glides very nicely. See, let me just apply it onto here also. So if you guys want to buy these products as well as other products from Plum Goodness, they have their sale from 1st to 4th July. I'll mention everything into the description as well as in the video too. So go buy these as well as other hair care and skin care products from Plum Goodness. Don't miss out the sale. It is very amazing. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.